Okay, guys, although this vehicle is sold right here, but what we have ourselves is a Ford Fairlane, and this thing is beautiful car. It's a hot rodder, but it's supposed to be a Ford Fairlane Cobra, so it says. I'm going to take a good look at this car. It's a beautiful car. I love this year model for these Fords, and dual exhaust in the back. You see the Ford Cobra off to the right. But this is a very nice paint on here. And always did love the tail end to this particular vehicle. But as I said, is already sold. We're gonna look inside of here with this black interior. My God, this thing is so clean in here. Whew. It's very, very, very clean in here. And automatic, dashboard, everything is clean. Let's go around. So it says it's got a 428 right there. And it's supposed to be a Cobra jet motor. But if it is, I see why somebody jumped on it and bought it. It's a new arrival here. But somebody got on it real quick. As we look in, yeah, this thing's very nice. Very, very nice. So this is why, as I said before, you find in these cars, especially when they've been wintertime kept and then they end up for sale for some reason, you'll find them here at Gateway Classic Car. And you got other car dealerships or classic car dealerships that deal with these type of vehicles. And right around now, around the springtime, everybody's starting to break them out, getting them ready for the summer, or they're ready to sell. So this thing's 69 Ford Fairlane Cobra, 428 Cobra Jet V8, red on black. That was the price that they bought it for. Now, as you can see, it says sold. And I'm just glad I came in to find this one. And we're going to find some more. Hopefully we can find a Gran Torino this year model with the 428 Super Cobra Jet motors, But if you're in the market for something like this and you want to find out if they got anything close to this, similar to this, or others, you got a whole host to choose from, But they're here at Gateway Classic Cars, just outside of Chicago, Illinois. I can never tell you how to spend your hard-earned money, but if you're in the market, these cars are here. All right, guys, I'll leave contact information for you at the end of the video. Later.